Okay, welcome back to the Central Valley Buzz. I'm your host, Chuck Leonard. You know, right here at CentralValleyTalk.com, we're adding new shows all the time. Our new show that starts this Friday at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock is Chris White. Let's go ahead and bring him in. Chris, how's it going?
Good morning. Good
now, Chris, you're a lawyer.
I am.
And you're starting a show called Legal Talk.
Yeah, I don't know how I got into it, but I've been flying by the seat of my pants. We'll see how it goes.
Now, what's the Legal Talk? What's it going to be all about?
We're still figuring that out, but we'll start out with some talk about work injuries, about personal injuries, things that I do, and then I'll bring on some other people that talk about what they do.
Like different types of law.
Different types of law. Yeah, I might get field some questions from people.
Okay.
That the typical questions that I get, typical questions that other lawyers get.
What are some of the typical questions that someone might ask you?
Well, for a work injury, like, can I still file a claim if I've been fired?
Okay.
How do I get the medical treatment that I need? What do I do if I'm not getting any money? Can you help me get some money to pay my bills because I'm broke and I'm about to lose my house or get evicted? Things like that.
And lawyers sometimes can do things like that, right?
Yeah, we can do things like that. It's the insurance company that's paying. I'm not giving them a loan or something like that.
Right.
But I can help them get back on their feet, straighten them out a little bit, and get them what they need on the right track.
Awesome.
Get them some money.
Now, are you local guy?
I'm local. I'm in Clovis. I go to the Fresno Workers' Compensation Appeals Board, to the ones nearby in Bakersfield or Stockton. But I'm based here. I've been here 10 years.
Where are you from originally?
Practice. Originally, I grew up south of Chicago in Springfield, Illinois. And started going west. Actually, I was born in D.C., grew up in Springfield, Illinois, downstate. Went to school in Colorado Springs, and then went to law school at Santa Clara.
Okay.
And then came back over here.
Great. My father went to Santa Clara University also.
Yeah, we got a lot of us out here.
That's a great school. What a great campus they have out there. So how do you end up in Fresno?
The short version, it was $1 million to buy a house at the time, and I was just fresh out of school, and I could afford it out here. Mm-hmm. The longer version is the people that I was working with at the time needed to open an office in Fresno. I actually wanted to go to Sacramento. But we had a Christmas party, and they put me together with the nicest people from Fresno and the most obnoxious people from Sacramento. So I quickly got on board.
All right. And we were probably lucky that we didn't have any of that Thule fog that night when you're down here.
Yeah, they made sure I didn't come out in July.
For the Christmas party. All right, so you're going to start the show coming up tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow at 3 o'clock. And who are your guests going to be?
Rafael Flores, who has a radio show, will probably be there with us, maybe co-hosting. Okay. And then we're still working on some confirmations. We might have Ben Trick and Greg Molinax, who do employment law, working on getting a divorce attorney and maybe a medical malpractice attorney. But he's going to have to come down from up by Yosemite. But we'll see. We'll have a good crew for you.
Awesome. Now, when you were growing up, did you want to be a lawyer?
No, I didn't. I was supposed to be a doctor.
Okay.
I thought I was going to be a doctor.
I hear this story a lot from lawyers.
Really?
I was supposed to be a doctor.
Yeah, I actually know how to do math, and I can do chemistry and all those things, and I probably could have succeeded, but my dad's a doctor, my brother's a doctor, my mom's a nurse, and so they say, just jokingly, I'm the black sheep of the family because I became a lawyer. I don't sue doctors.
Right.
But really, I knew that, all right, at least I haven't lately, not the ones that I grew up with in Springfield. And a lot of my friends are doctors. But the thing about doctors and lawyers, we both profit from the suffering of others.
Yeah.
But we're able to help them most of the time. Actually, I decided I didn't want to be a doctor after I took organic chemistry summer of my freshman year in college.
Because of?
Because it was too hard. I didn't have a life. I mean, I would have been in school until I was 30.
Right.
And then, you get calls in the middle of the night. And the nice thing about being a lawyer, it's, 8 to 5 and then you're done. Although it's different when you get calls from people. People text me sometimes at odd hours with a question, and sometimes I can respond quickly. Sometimes I get to them.
Do they get charged for that?
No, I do. The contingency is 15%. You'll never write me a check for the kind of work that I do. I get it from the insurance company. I'll get you a check.
Nice, nice. If there's people out there that might be needing your type of lawyer, maybe you can tell them how to get a hold of you.
The easiest way to get a hold of me is to call me, or 559-349-0790, or you can text me if I don't pick up right away. And you can look on the web at www.cnw-law.com. You can do a Google search, which is easy to remember. You just put in Chris White Law in Clovis or Fresno, and it'll pop right up and take you in. I got a Facebook page. I have the website, and just once you give me a call, we can talk. You can come in for a free consultation.
Awesome. Now, will you be taking questions on the show, you said?
I'd like to. I don't know. Yeah, we
Let's
can
do
that.
this right now. Tomorrow at 3 o'clock on CentralValleyTalk.com, debut of Chris White and Legal Talk. If you have a legal question, go ahead and send it into cvtmail@CentralValleyTalk.com. If it comes in, we'll try to get it on and get it to you guys and get some interaction between you and the
That'll liven
audience.
it up.
Right?
Yeah, exactly.
Chris White, thank you very much. Good
Thank you
luck
for
on your
having
show.
me.
It starts tomorrow.
All right.
All right, thanks a lot. We're going to take a quick commercial break.